London's Guy's Hospital is home to a brand new research unit which will investigate triple-negative breast cancer. In the UK alone, there are 6,000 new cases of this more aggressive type of breast cancer each year. This strain of the disease is more common in younger women and those of African origin, but it's more difficult to treat because tumours don't respond to targeted drugs like Herceptin and tamoxifen.
We're focusing on trying to study this kind of breast cancer in order to develop these new targeted drugs, and what we have done is, with Breakthrough Breast Cancer's support, is to develop a new research unit which we have put absolutely next to our breast cancer clinic, with the aim of being able to study breast cancer as close as possible to the patient's bedside, to improve the chances of being able to rapidly take the power of science, apply it to breast cancer and develop treatments that can be applied to women in the future.
The research team will be using cutting-edge technology to enable them to work in more detail than ever before. The Hamamatsu Nanazuma microscope shows images of the body's tissue at unprecedented levels of detail. Shown here, normal cells are encroached by dense patches of cancer cells.
The chromosomes. We're going to be looking at all of the genes in those cancers and the messages those genes make with very special array systems, but we're also going to be looking down the microscope at them and wanting to be able to share that information with other Breakthrough Breast Cancer funded researchers in Breakthrough Research Centre and in other units around the country, and with collaborators overseas.
Good news for patients like Sam Hills, who was diagnosed with the disease at 35.
It's absolutely fantastic. There aren't many good news stories when you've had cancer, but this really is. It's wonderful because I'm in remission, but I haven't got the all clear. If my cancer was to come back as a recurrence or a secondary cancer, I would find it really reassuring that there's all these people working specifically at my sort of cancer, which has been under-researched in the past. So it's fantastic, and it's great to be involved in the launch.
Breakthrough Breast Cancer has awarded £4.2 million to the unit so they can carry out research over the next 5 years. It's one of 3 research units being opened in the UK by the leading charity, each focusing on a different area of research. The London Centre will be vital in learning about the biology of the triple-negative breast cancer to find new ways to diagnose, treat and ultimately prevent this disease.